Hi everyone, I'm Lala. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making chicken Tinga to Madre nachos. I came up with that name because I'm classy. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, that's cool. Watch a couple videos though, I bet you will. Nachos. I've been obsessed with nachos lately. And I find that the best nachos always have the homemade tostadas. So, make them homemade. That is the first best thing you can do for a nacho. Okay, so I'm going to be making chicken tinga. I'm going to be making it the right way. I usually make it different. Like, my way is totally different. I like it this way, though, because I like the smoky flavor that the chipotle gives it. So I'm going to be using a pressure cooker. This pressure cooker was gifted to me for my birthday from a longtime friend. Thank you. Shout out to her. So this is my first time making meat of any kind in the pressure cooker. I've made rice a couple times. All right. So here's the thing. I have, I think it's called the Insignia. It's not an Instapot. And they are different. I think. Here's the thing. The saute part of that pressure cooker, like the preset, it doesn't get so hot. It took a while to actually make or to saute those onions. So would I make this recipe again in the pressure cooker? No. But was it good? It was good. But let me just say what I'm doing here. So I got sauteed onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 3-ounce can of chipotle peppers, 1 can of diced tomatoes with some chicken powder and some water. Now, again, this is my first time using a pressure cooker, so I know that that was too much liquid. But I wanted that flavor. It's so good. I just put it on a preset, meat stew preset. It takes about, I want to say like maybe 8 minutes to preheat the pressure cooker or to build up the pressure. I didn't know that. So it took a long time to cook this for real. Like they say it's quicker, but I mean, the sauteing process was just too long. But I like the pressure cooker. I like that it infused the meat. Definitely infused the meat with flavor. But it wasn't quicker. And also, I gotta teach myself how much liquid to use. So, but I'm gonna be using it more often, and you're gonna be seeing a lot of recipes. So just be prepared for that, cause I do like using it. Alright, so the queso is just Velveeta, Rotel, and some Madre Jack cheese. Very simple. What? Man, y'all. It's about like, I don't know, half cup of Madre Jack cheese. I just put it on the stove. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm adding some cream just to make it more, not so it wouldn't be too thick. And I just let it melt and keep it on low until it's ready to serve. And I'm chopping up some raggedy ass lettuce. This came raggedy already. I sent my husband out to buy some lettuce, and he came back with this. It was so small. I swear, every time I send him out with stuff for something, he always buys the most expensive thing and the name brand. He don't ever look for the prices or nothing. Even though I send him pictures. I take pictures on his phone. I give them to him for his text message, and there's pictures and everything. He still come back with something I did not want, but at least he goes. So there's that. So he's doing me a favor, really. All right, so I just released the pressure. That was actually a quick release. It's when you immediately vent it as soon as it's done. So as you can see, there's definitely a lot of sauce. When you look at, like in the videos, I was looking at different videos and I was like, man, that meat looks really, really too tender. It's perfect. The consistency is perfect. The taste was great because, like I said, it's infused. But the sauce, like, I feel like the sauce, it needed some help. It was too much, definitely too much. But I feel like it needed to be thickened. There's ways to do that, but I just feel like if I would have done it on the stove, like, it would have been perfect. But yeah, so I'm just assembling the nachos. There's nothing to it. Do what you want to do, but I just thought that the name was pretty clever because I'm so witty. This is a chicken Tinga to Madre because it'll make you cuss out someone's mama. Let's see what Raul thinks about this. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you try it, let us know. Come back and tell me what you think. I'm definitely going to try it again with less liquid. But I'm definitely not going to quit on this whole pressure cooker thing. I really like using it. This is what I call chicken Tinga tu Madres. Okay, have a taste.
Tinga tu Madre.
Tinga.
Tinga. I like it.
Todo. You like it?
Really.
All right. Thanks for watching. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching us.